Well, all I'm doing is hearing bangs. I don't really know what's going on, but there's gotta be somewhere I can put this camera, because it's really weird. I think I'll leave it right here. Hearing bangs and everything, I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna go in here now and sit back for a minute or two and see what else I hear. I'm gonna close this door. Okay, did you catch that? Did you catch that? This is what's been going on out here every weekend. I finally caught it. Alright.